Here we have the new connector that we should put inside. Before we put it inside, we should disassemble it. How to do it? Here you have two buttons on the sides, just to push them. Once you push the buttons, you can detach the electrical part, the contacts. Then you have to reinstall the mechanical part of the lock. How to do it? Here's the nut. You should open this nut. Here is the spacer, the metal spacer that actually prevents from rotating the lock. We remove it. Then we insert the mechanical part of the lock to the opening from the left side of the machine instead of existing one. Then we put back the spacer. After that, we put back the nut. Okay. Once the lock is sitting properly on the left side of the machine, on the left wall of the machine, we can already connect the electrical connector to the mechanical part, just like that. Then we should put two contacts on the two external metal contacts to connect wires. The polarity doesn't matter. It absolutely doesn't matter. Just to connect between two external contacts.